我操！完了！啊
On Saturday afternoon, a rainstorm hit the Kanto region. Lightning and thunder in Tokyo and 5 neighboring prefectures was followed by hail and torrential rain. About 55 millimeters of rain fell in Tokyo from 4 p.m. during the hour, the Japan Meteorological Agency reported. There were reports of power outages in several districts as well as parts of Ibaraki Prefecture, Fuji TV adding that electricity was restored by 6 p.m., and there were reports of power lines supplying city electric vehicles being destroyed. Several lines are de-energized, traffic is suspended. The meteorological agency said unstable atmospheric conditions have brought heavy rains to southwest and east Japan over the past few days. We also remind you that at the moment Tokyo is hosting one of the largest sports events in the world, the 2020 Olympic Games. However, local authorities say that the peak of the storm in Tokyo will fall on Sunday, and will not affect the closing ceremony in any way.